So today I'm thinking of making a short little video just to share with you how I store all my little stuff like the fillings and charms and the little parts that I actually bought to use for my jewelry. This is my favorite. So I've got 3 boxes of them and I got them from Amazon. I actually looked around a lot just to check like what kind of storage solution would be the best. This is a little bit pricey. It's from the Elizabeth Watt bead solution storage, and each of them is ranging from like $35 to $45. Really pricey, but I'm not regretting because I really love it. It's so beautiful. It's like so organized and neat. Like for example, this is my first box, which I kept all my gold stuff, the gold fillings and stuff, and it comes with I think about 78 little containers. Then I have a second one which I bought and used to keep all of my like diamantes and little jewels and things, and more focus on the silver it's really for random stuff that I found online that I could use to make my jewelry. I'm going to show you why I like this storage unit so much. It's very easy to look through, like what parts I'm looking for. It comes in size small and a little bit larger, medium size. And then you have the bigger size for bigger parts, and it also comes in a much larger one when you have a lot to put in. So it's really visually very therapeutic for me when I see my neat and organized collection of like all these fillers that I use for my jewelry making. And that's it. So you do not have to use the same kind of solution that I'm using. I just personally like this because it's so organized and neat, and it's very durable, so I can use it for a very long time.